What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arccway, a new direction of a modern man. And today's video, I'm sharing for you guys a few different stretches I do apply within my workouts. So I do apply these stretches before a workout and after, so the pre and the post. Applying stretches into your workouts is actually going to be very, very key for you guys, because long term you won't have chronic pains or you won't go into like chronic injuries. So applying these stretches before your workout, pre and post, is going to be beneficial for you guys. If you guys
waiting, whole city trying to play. I'ma sound anticipated.
I want to apply these stretches into your own routine. If you guys want to try it out with me, feel free to do so. And make sure you guys subscribe down to Arccway, the new direction of a modern man. And also check out the IG page so you guys can see what's posting on the daily content with Arccway. And also subscribe down the channel. Big thumbs up on this video and enjoy. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video of the stretches I did apply within my own routine. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to subscribe down to the channel down below. Also give this video a big thumbs up and also share with someone who you may know who wants to look into more doing stretches or more workouts. I did provide a bunch of videos regarding home workouts I did during quarantine season. So definitely check out those up in the link up below. Also check out the IG page. I'm posting more content on there. And most importantly guys, definitely stay fit, stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Yeah, they tell me I'm rated. They tell me they waited. Whole city tryna play. How much sound anticipated? Whole brand educated. We don't hear the shit you saying. How you niggas underrated? If you niggas ever